In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Sheet as a Microsoft Excel file and open it in Excel. If you work across both Google Workspace and Microsoft Office, this simple process lets you keep your data compatible and accessible, even when you're offline or sharing with someone who prefers Excel. Start by opening the Google Sheets document you want to convert. You can do this from Google Drive or directly at sheetsgoogle.com. Once your spreadsheet is open and fully loaded, look to the top left corner of the screen for the File menu. Click File, then hover over Download. From the list of formats, choose Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This tells Google Sheets to generate a copy of your spreadsheet in Excel's native format. The .xlsx extension is the standard for modern versions of Excel and is widely supported. Don't worry, your original Google Sheet remains untouched. You're simply creating a separate copy for Excel. As soon as you select Microsoft Excel, .xlsx, the download will begin. Most browsers save the file to your computer's default Downloads folder unless you've set your browser to ask for a location each time. If you do see a prompt, pick a folder that's easy to find later. The file name will match your Google Sheet with .lsx at the end. If you're not sure where it went, check your browser's recent downloads list or open your Downloads folder. Once the file is on your computer, open it using Microsoft Excel. The quickest method is to double-click the .xlsx file, which should launch Excel automatically. If you already have Excel open, you can go to File, then Open, and browse to the folder where you saved the file. Depending on your security settings, Excel may open the file in Protected View. If you trust the source, which you do because it's your own document, click Enable Editing so you can work with it normally. You should now see your data, formatting, and most formulas carried over. Complex features like certain add-ons or Google-specific functions may behave differently, but for the vast majority of spreadsheets, the transition is smooth. From here, you can edit, save, and share your Excel file just like any other. And that's it. You opened your Google Sheet, downloaded it as a Microsoft Excel file, and opened the .xlsx in Excel. Keep this workflow handy whenever you need to move between platforms quickly and reliably.